Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your dryer is leaving brown marks on your clothes, it can be really frustrating because it not only affects how your clothes look but can also ruin fabrics completely. Many people assume it's a detergent issue or something related to washing, but in most cases the problem actually comes from inside the dryer itself. These marks are often caused by residue buildup, worn out drum components, or overheating that leaves stains during the drying process. The tricky part is that the dryer may still seem to work normally, making it harder to identify the exact cause. Once you address the issue, your clothes should come out clean again without any marks. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix a dryer that's leaving brown marks on clothes. Try these. Step 1. Clean the inside of the dryer drum thoroughly. Step 2. Check for residue or stains inside the drum surface. Step 3. Inspect drum seals and replace if worn out. Step 4. Avoid overheating by using proper heat settings. Step 5. Clean the lint filter and ventilation system. Step 6. Run a test cycle to confirm clothes come out clean.